There's Fifi's new walker. Uh-oh. What's wrong? You don't like your walker? Look, they have all these toys right here. See? They don't make any noises though. Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. You're not walking. You're not walking.
That's it. You can reach the ground.
Good morning. Oh, you're playing now? Yay. You like your new walker? Say thank you, Mommy. What's that? That's an astronaut. That's an astronaut there. Then you have all your shapes there. You have the star, you have the circle, and the moon. That's cool. Let me see you walk. Come on. That's your walker right here, guys.
That's good.
All right. One of these days, you'll be walking on your own, and you're gonna look back at this, and you're like, wow. This is how it started.